In this video, I'm going to create a presentation version of my floor plan, a typical design presentation version. And to do that, I'm just going to make some visual changes to the view. But before I do that, I'm going to copy this view. So I'm going to duplicate the view, and I'm going to duplicate with detailing, so I'll keep all my details. And then I'm going to rename this another name. And something that will alphabetize itself. So I'm going to call it the second, I'm sorry, not second, I want to do that as the first. So first floor plan, and I'll call it presentation. And so now we've got the first floor plan presentation. And this is the view I'm going to change. I'm going to keep my working view, okay, my level 01 finished floor, but I'm going to use this one. And I made one of these before, so I'm going to delete that view. And the only thing I'm really going to change on this is how the outside walls are treated. In other words, I want to poche them. I want them to be pochade black. So to do that, it's really very simple. I'm going to go into Edit Visibility Graphics, and this window is going to pop up. And then I'm going to go into Walls down here, and you'll see that I can do overrides over different visual aspects of the view. And the cut, for instance, I can change the line width, and I can change the line pattern. For the cuts, I can override them for this particular view only, okay? The defaults don't change. Or projection surface, once again, I can change, patterns, lines, transparencies, and so forth. So I'm going to go in here and do a simple override of the pattern here, and I'm going to override that as black. Now I could do it as gray or green or whatever color I wanted, but I'm just going to do a simple black override. And then the pattern that I'm going to use, the color, is not any of these patterns. What I'm going to use is solid, a solid feel. So let me move this up so you can see it. It fell outside, so you can see solid feel right here. So I'm going to solid feel black, and I'm going to say OK to that, and I'm going to apply that to that view, and I'm going to say OK. And now you'll see I've got a feel. But one thing you may notice is that glass curtain wall, that worked. My mullions are cut, my glasses are cut. But right here in the storefront, I've got, for some reason, black right here. And the reason that's the case is because my horizontal mullions are at the cut plane, the floor. And so what I'm going to do is click over here into the sheet itself, and let's scroll down to View Range and click Edit. And then I'm going to add, say, instead of 4 feet, I'm going to go to 4 feet 2 inches, and that'll get me just beyond my mullion. So I'm going to apply this, and now you'll see that it's corrected. Okay, so my glass is being cut and my vertical mullions, but not my horizontal mullions being cut. This view is ready to insert into a sheet.